Hello everyone, welcome to Despicable Maine. Today let's examine just one way a Despicable Maine court is totally kangaroo. There is an employee at the district attorney's office in Hancock County, Maine. Her name is Andrea Nunn and she had a dispute with a relative. Get this. She manages to convince the district attorney's office to file charges against her cousin's husband for operating after suspension, based entirely on her seeing her relative drive 100 feet down the side of the road to his roadside vegetable stand. Now that operating a vehicle without a license. Complaint is based completely on Andrea Nunn's statement alone. The DA's office files the complaint and files charges. The normal sentence for something like that, or the normal plea offer, would be for a fine, but in this particular case, they ask for a jail sentence. The cousin's husband decides that he wants to have a trial, and he asked for a trial, and there was a request for the discovery material. The DA's office completely ignores that request for discovery. 2 months go by, a request for sanctions was filed. The court sanctions the DA's office and fines them $300 for not providing discovery to this defendant, which they are required to do. What should make you angry? What makes me angry is that the DA's office allowed a secretary, Andrea Nunn, to use that office for personal vendetta against a relative. So, how corrupt is that? Not only can the secretary of the district attorney's office file charges, she can also demand jail time. And what should make you angry is that tax money that was to be spent to protect you as a community was turned over to the state as a penalty for them not doing the job. Andrea Nunn used your tax money for personal gain and the DA's office to file charges on her relative, when she is only the secretary of the district attorney's office with absolutely no powers of police. This is the level of corruption that goes on in Hancock County, Maine. The secretary of the district attorney's office magically has the powers of police. What a job perk, wouldn't you say? This is the reality in despicable Hancock County, Maine. Totally kangaroo corrupt. If you found this despicable video report informative, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights and despicable tactics used by Despicable Maine. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time.